Hello, 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 and welcome to my Error Coin show. As you can see, it's a big error, huge error from 2006, £2, England, UK. You can see it. I've never seen £2 coin like this before. That's one of the most valuable error £2 coin I have come across. That's why you should keep an eye out for error coins when you receive change. Look for anything different on the coin. You never know. You can see it. I'll bring it a little bit closer so you can see it better. 2006. There is a description on the slice. Giant standing on the shoulders of giants. And now let's talk about the value of this coin. In my opinion, this one can worth about 400 to 800 euros. It can worth more or less sometimes. That depends on how much are coin collectors willing to bid in the auctions. That's it for today. You saw it. If you have any questions, write in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and if you really like to watch more videos like this one, you can hit on the subscribe button and the bell notification. See you next time.